Good morning, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. On our way to the first job of the day. Regular customer. This will be our 6th time out here. Full property wash, pretty big long driveway, pool cage, and the home. So it's going to be a good one. The only bad part about it is I got to ride through the woods where I usually ride my motorcycle, and I'm driving a van with a trailer on the back. Anyway, that's going to be the worst part of my day. Then we have another pool cage to do after that, after lunch. Alright, so let's get ready to go kill some algae, and I hope you enjoy today's presentation. Let's get after it. Okay, here we are. Nice long driveway. It's never too bad. The house is never too bad. They keep up on it every year. So we're gonna SH everything around there, get the whole front of the house SH, get the driveway done, mini mondo it, rinse it off, then rinse all this house off, go around that side over there, get that SH, rinse it off, come back and go around to the pool cage. All right, let's get after it. Okay, we're done with the house all the way across, all underneath there, all the way down the side, and we were able to hit the side of the pool cage while we were down that way. Everything's getting SH'd all the way down, mini mondo all the way down, rinse it all the way back. Easy. Down the side into the pool cage, and that'll be a wrap for this one. It's gonna go very quick. Making rapid speed right now. All right, we'll be back when we get a little bit more interesting. We'll get over here and we'll take a look at the driveway halfway through and stuff. All right, let's get after it. Okay, we are finished all the way up to this point right here in the front of the house. Look at that driveway. It came out beautiful. Now the reason why, when I pull up here, you don't see any marks anywhere, because I pre-treat and post-treat. That driveway will stay good, and it only gets a couple shades darker when you're cleaning it. So there's really not a noticeable difference, but you can see when you're cleaning it, it gets a couple shades lighter. All right, now we're gonna get SH all this all the way down the side, around the back. Then we're gonna get into the pool cage. You're probably gonna have to add some more hose. So hopefully the injector is gonna cooperate with 250 feet. All right, it should. All right, let's get after it. Let's take a walk around the back. All this is done out front. Looks good. This is all SH. Frogs jumping all over the place. You get out in these wooded areas. These are nice pieces of property here, except for that one over there. I guess the story is some rich guy bought his kid that. He lives there all by himself. He doesn't take care of the place. The neighbors hate him. But anyway, it's all SH all the way back here. And that's where we run out of hose. Got all this SH. Going to be getting back here into this pool cage in a minute. Going to go add 50 feet of hose, and then we're going to get after it. All right, let's have a look. All this has been SH'd off. See how that stuff flowing off here? Beautiful. The cage is done outside. Inside's all nice and SH'd. All right, now what we're gonna do is the satisfying rinse. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a finished look. Look at that. Looks really nice. And the pool cage came out nice. All that mold and green stuff's gone. Floor looks great. Back of the house looks good. Now all we got to do is come down the side here, rinse all this off, then we'll be done. Heading on home to get some lunch. Then we'll do a pool cage after that. All right? All right, let's get after it, shall we? It's going pretty fast. We'll get a time when we're done. Started at 8 o'clock. Let's get after it! All right, look at that. Everything looks great. Look at these frogs that are inside the house. 1, 2, 3. I'll tell them about it. We'll have fun with that. How nice and clean everything is. Hey, you guys. Butterflies. Cool. It's all cleaned around there. Looks good. Driveway looks spectacular. Front of the house looks good. I do believe that's a wrap. We'll see you at the next job. Pool cage. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's get that time. 10 o'clock, baby. 2 hours flat. Let's get after it. Okay, yesterday I mentioned that we had problems with the injector and I need to come back by here. This is what a driveway looks like the next day when you don't treat it, post-treat it. So we're gonna post-treat it. And all those little defective looks will go away. Like this little area right here. You can see how a little bit of it needs to have some SH on it. So always post-treat. So I come back to honor my customer and give them what they paid for. All right, let's get after it. All right, it was just that easy. Looks a lot better. You can see all the marks that were down that way, they're already gone. All right, that's just a finishing touch on it. And I didn't feel right about just leaving it like that. So we're doing a job in here right up the block. So I had all intentions of coming by and taking care of this. All right, always honor your customers. Always keep your name good. And always get after it. See you at the next one. Hey, here we are, job number 2. I usually do this driveway. It doesn't need it right now. It does, but that'll be the next thing that happens. We'll be doing a pool cage here in the back. Go back and have a look at it, and then we'll be getting after it. Pretty nice piece of property. I do the house too. It's been a while. The old man's got dementia, so when I first got here, he told me to reschedule it, and his wife called and said, "You shouldn't listen to him." Anyway, we're going to be getting after it back here. We'll be right back. All right, here we are on the pool cage. It's not that bad. It's got some little mess hair here and there on the floor. But we'll clean it all up and make it look brand new. All right, let's get after it. right, let's have a look. All the algae's gone, the deck's all clean. Put these plants back for them. I'll put this other one over here, back where it belongs, out front here. That's gonna be it for today, folks. Collect the money, go to the bank, and call it a day. Go home and make the video for you guys to enjoy. All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. We got a lot of work. Let's get after it.